Hey folks, what we got here is a 2012 Jeep Liberty with a 3.7 liter 6-cylinder wheel going to check the air filter. I'll show you how to change it. All right. Basically, it's just two clips, one here, and in the back over here. There's 1, 2, 3 tabs that slide into a slot over there. So once you take these clips off, you're just going to lift it up and pull it out of those tabs. Once you change the air filter, you check it. You got to make sure that you slide the tabs in to the slots and then lock them in. All right. So let's do that. Right here, I'm just checking because the car came in for a check engine light, runs rough, adding antifreeze. So I'm just checking to see if it holds pressure. All right. So let's set you up over here for the air filter. All right. 2 clips. 1, 2. Yowza. Okay. Like I said, this cover is going to come out and flip. So just grab it, pull it towards me, flip it up. All right. This is the air filter. This customer was sold a tune-up for this misfire. So most likely they changed everything. Filter looks brand new. It's an STP brand. All right. So yeah, so if you're changing air filter, this is what you do. Take it out, put the new one in. All right. It's going to go exactly, sit perfectly in there. There's 4 slots. I said 3, right? There's 4. So when you put this in, you're going to slide that right into the slot there, and you're going to lock it up. So best bet is to go on this side, on the passenger side, on the fender. Line it up like that. Once they're lined up, this will fit nice, perfectly. Oh, gotta make sure that it's on. Hang on. Da, 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 da. There you go. Once it's on, it fits perfectly. 1 clip, and then 2 clips. Da, 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 da. Oh, this one's not sitting flush. Take it off. Yeah, man. A little better. There you go. All right. Because you're fighting with this hose, and there's another breather hose back here, a little pipe. I don't know if you can see it. All right. So you got to fight with those. And that's it. We're done, people. There's your air filter. All right. Thanks for watching.